Can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed, and the rockets red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Guys for that flag.
Next year we're going to do it, the invocation. Ed, hey, this is freaking special. We've never happened on this stage before what OP1VET is doing. It is just absolutely spectacular. What's up, Buffalo Chip? Hey, so typically for the last 8 years, this being our 9th year, we've always did tracked wheelchairs, mobility items, and we've had a hell of a year this year. We've already did 3 track chairs. We did a Chevy Silverado truck for a paralyzed vet, and I said, you know what? It's tough enough to get out here, so let's do something special. Let's give away $10,250 bucks. Yeah. So we had 3 locations set up around the area and gathered these tickets, and we pulled a winner. But before I say who the winner is, I want to thank each and every one of you that get behind our cause. You see our guys out, our brand ambassador, these guys up here bust their ass every day of the week, every day of the month for this cause. And I salute each one of these guys. Right here, Tim Jones, Noah, Scott, my man Seth, and Justin, thank you. And we've got other guys that had to travel because of school for the kids, but we salute them as well. So we pulled last night. We were going to do it live on Facebook, and we did it, didn't go live, but we did a video. Deb, you killed it with the prayer. Good stuff. Pulled it last night. We pulled the guy. It's kind of cool. If you check out our Facebook, you can see we didn't have phone number put on the ticket, so I was worried that somebody would not put their phone number. I put them on all the boxes. Well, the first ticket we pulled was Mr. Walter Hall from Williston, North Dakota. He is 21 years in law enforcement, and we salute him. So we did law enforcement, veterans, and firefighters. And thanks, brother. So tonight we're gonna do it live on stage here. If I can get this shit out of my pocket, we're gonna give him $10,250. God bless you. God bless this great country. Hey, get one of these shirts. All right, thank you, Ed.